Hi, welcome to Unit 8. Today we will talk about movement and forces.
In this unit, we will have learning objectives. Identify different ways objects can move. Recognize that a force, push, or pull is needed to make things move. Explore how the strength and direction of a force can change movement. Use simple vocabulary to describe motion and forces. Communicate findings through drawings, words, or movement demonstrations. Key competencies developed.
Observe and describe how objects move in different ways. Demonstrate push and pull actions through hands-on activities. Use basic terms like fast, slow, spin, slide, or bounce accurately. Explain or show how changing the force affects movement. Share observations clearly using visuals, gestures, or oral explanations.
Lesson 1. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. What makes things move? What is a force?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary: push,
Pull.
Move,
Stop. What makes things move? We use a push or a pull to move things. A push moves things away. A pull brings things closer.
Lesson 2. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. How do things move? What do you push at school?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary. Roll.
slide,
Bounce.
Spin,
Fast.
slow.
Things move in many ways. Balls roll. Books slide. Some toys spin or bounce.
things can move in different ways. Lesson 3. In this lesson, we will ask ourselves the following questions. How can motion change? Can we change how things move?
Memorize these words. Key vocabulary. Straight.
Backward,
Stop.
Up,
Down.
left,
Right. We can change how things move.
If you push something hard, it moves fast like a ball rolling quickly. If you push softly, it moves slowly like a toy gently sliding across the floor.
are you ready to learn more about this unit?
Let's get started.